Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today I got two Amazon deliveries. One, I am filling up my stockpile that I had a few spots available for that I had already used these, so I'm replacing them in there. Sorry, having problems with my words today. But my box came all banged up. So this one has a nice big dent right here, but I am going to use this one next. So I'm getting low on the one that I'm using right now, so this one will go in its place right after that. And this one's got a little dent right here, and the other ones aren't dented, so after this one will be used. So I think I have one more to refill the empty spots that I have available, and then as I use them I just buy another one, seeing that they're keeping them on sale lately, so that's a pretty good thing. So that's what I'm gonna do. This one's gonna be next because of the biggest dent right here. I mean, it's a pretty sizable dent, and the box was just messed up. I had a hard time bringing it in because it felt like it was going to fall apart. And then my mom helped me replace this, and I'm very thankful that she helped me. I use 5-HTP for my bipolar, so I take this when I need to, and well, there's a whole story on that. So basically it's for my mood. It's a neurotransmitter support for positive moods and things like that. So during the issue that I had a few months ago with clearing out of my stuff, they got rid of my 5-HTP bottle, which is a step up from tryptophan. So that's what it is basically. And I took the big bottle I had and would put little bottles inside of it. So, there's expiration dates on some things. Like this. Well, I don't know where it is. Oh, now they have Best Buys. But, anyways, the people that were doing stuff thought it was... They're like the people that believe that Best Buys are expiration dates. And I believe they toss them because I can't find them. And these are a needed item. Definitely when I need them, I need to have them. So I always make sure I have some. And I found out I didn't. So thanks to my mom helping me, I got the 5-HTP back. So I have that available when I need it. And I'm probably going to take it for a few days because I'm under a lot of stressful stuff, and with the fact that I want to get out and I've been stuck inside for so long, it's kind of affecting my mood. So I'll take 1 or 2 days worth of this and I should be back up and running in a good mood. So anyways, I'm thankful that I got that. Thank you, Mom. I don't know if you watched these, but thank you. And like I said, this is going to go next in the rotation, and then this one because my other cans aren't dented. So even though these are newer than the other ones, because they're dented, I don't want to take a chance. Especially this one. It's a huge, huge dent. So, yeah. That's what I got, everybody. Alright, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.